Welcome back to Future Bike Zone. 2026 Suzuki Intruder arrives as a bold reminder that classic cruiser DNA can still evolve with modern engineering, advanced electronics, and a refreshed identity built for the new generation of riders. When Suzuki first launched the Intruder lineup, the bike instantly stood out for its muscular stance and unique mix of cruiser comfort and street performance. But in 2026, Suzuki pushes the boundaries even further, giving the Intruder a fully reinvented platform. Today on Future Bike Zone, we're going deep into the latest technology, the updated design language, the performance upgrades, and why this Intruder is shaping up to be one of the most appealing mid-range cruisers of its segment. Whether you're a cruiser lover, a touring rider, or simply someone who enjoys a futuristic, aggressive machine, the 2026 Intruder brings something exciting to the table. The story starts with the bodywork, where Suzuki has completely redesigned the bike to feel more premium, more muscular, and more refined. The iconic Intruder silhouette remains intact, but the lines are sharper, the tank is sculpted with deeper cuts, and the LED headlamp now carries a futuristic Y-shaped DRL that instantly separates it from the previous generations. From the side, the bike looks like a fusion of a classic cruiser and a power cruiser, maintaining a low-slung stance while adding a sportier tail section. Suzuki has used higher-grade materials, improved paint finishes, and a new floating instrument console that gives the bike a more modern personality. The rear LED signature gets a sleeker shape, and the turn indicators now use LED sequential lighting for a premium touch. The split seats are wider and more supportive, offering improved long-ride comfort. Even the handlebar position has been re-engineered to offer a more natural. At the heart of the 2026 Suzuki Intruder is a newly optimized 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. Suzuki has tuned the motor to deliver smoother power delivery, better torque in the low and mid-range, and enhanced fuel efficiency. The engine produces around 25 horsepower and 22 Nm of torque, which may sound modest, but the lightweight chassis and power cruiser gearing make the bike quicker than expected. The throttle response is more refined thanks to Suzuki's new smart injection mapping, ensuring crisp acceleration even in urban stop-and-go conditions. On highways, the Intruder maintains a relaxed cruising pace at around 90 to 100 km per hour without vibrations, thanks to improved engine balancing and better heat management. Suzuki has upgraded the cooling system with a larger radiator and revised airflow channels, allowing the bike to handle extended touring sessions without stress. The 2026 model also introduces two riding modes, Eco and Sport, giving riders versatile performance depending on the situation. Eco mode optimizes fuel burn and smoothens throttle sensitivity, while Sport mode sharpens the response and unlocks the full torque curve. One of the most noticeable improvements comes from the chassis and suspension setup. Suzuki has introduced a lighter, more rigid double cradle frame, designed to improve stability at higher speeds. The front suspension now features 37 mm telescopic forks with improved damping, while the rear monoshock is adjustable in 2 stages. The suspension balance feels more mature, absorbing potholes and broken roads with ease while still maintaining cornering confidence. For braking, Suzuki provides a 282 mm front disc with dual-channel ABS and a 240 mm rear disc, offering a solid and predictable stopping performance. ABS intervention is smoother this time, especially under hard braking or wet conditions. The bike rides on 17-inch alloy wheels with wider tires, giving the Intruder the combination of a lower center of gravity, wider handlebar, and optimized weight distribution makes the 2026 Intruder surprisingly agile for a cruiser, allowing riders to handle city TR. Thick and tight corners without effort. Suzuki hasn't held back on the electronics either. The 2026 Intruder introduces a fully digital TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, call/SMS notifications, and trip analytics. The display adapts brightness automatically, and Suzuki offers 2 different themes that riders can toggle between. Through the Suzuki Ride Connect app, users can access vehicle status, riding logs, service reminders, and even a remote lock feature depending on the variant. The bike comes equipped with a smart key system, enabling keyless start and a proximity-based lock/unlock process. Suzuki has included traction control for the first time in the Intruder lineup, which helps maintain grip on slippery surfaces and during sudden throttle twists. This feature is a major advantage for new riders. Another modern addition is the hazard alert system and a new USB-C fast charging port. With these upgrades, the Intruder doesn't just look futuristic, it truly rides like a next-generation cruiser. Comfort has always been part of the Intruder's identity, and the 2026 model elevates this to a new level. The ergonomics have been deeply refined to offer an upright yet relaxed posture, perfect for long-distance touring. The foot pegs are now forward set at a more natural angle, helping reduce knee strain. The seat cushioning uses dual-density foam, which enhances comfort during long rides. Even the pillion seat has been upgraded, providing better support for two-up touring. The wind management is improved with an optional touring windscreen, which reduces wind buffeting at higher speeds. Suzuki has also introduced vibration-reducing handlebar mounts and rubber-coated foot pegs. With a fuel tank capacity of about 13 liters and improved mileage, the bike easily offers a long riding range suitable for weekend trips, daily commuting, and highway cruising. The design philosophy behind the 2026 Intruder is a blend of Japanese craftsmanship and youthful aggression. The bike's muscular tank extensions, dual-bar exhaust, matte chrome accents, and tighter panel gaps create a sense of quality and sportiness. Suzuki offers 3 new color schemes: Phantom Black Metallic, Crimson Red Matte, and Silver Storm Chrome. All 3 shades highlight the body contours, while the chrome-tip twin exhaust gives the bike a big bike feel. Even the rear fender has been reshaped to provide a cleaner tail section, making the bike look more aerodynamic and sleek. Riders will appreciate how the Intruder now feels like a premium cruiser rather than a budget-oriented model. Suzuki has even redesigned the switchgear, providing backlit buttons and a softer tactile feel. In terms of pricing, Suzuki aims to keep the Intruder competitive in the premium 250 cubic centimeters cruiser segment. The expected price for the 2026 Intruder is around $3,100 to $3,300 internationally, or its equivalent depending on the market. For developing Asian markets, including India and Southeast Asia, the price is expected to fall around the mid-range premium segment, making it accessible while still offering a high-value package. Considering the added electronics, improved design, better power delivery, and comfort upgrades, the Intruder offers strong value for money for riders wanting a. In the end, the 2026 Suzuki Intruder is a compelling upgrade, offering a powerful blend of performance, design, features, and comfort. The bike is built for riders who appreciate style, who love relaxed long-distance rides, and who want a machine that reflects their personality. Suzuki has successfully given the Intruder a new life, making it sharper, smarter, and more suitable for modern riding conditions. For anyone looking for a stylish, modern cruiser with comfort, reliability, and next-gen features, the 2026 Intruder stands proudly as one of the top contenders in its class. Future Bike Zone will continue bringing you reviews of the newest machines shaping tomorrow's roads. Until then, ride safe and